Boys and girls, Alex here with Mynd Property Management. Today we're talking all about investing in Sacramento area. My guest today is Scott Raymond. Scott, how are you?
Doing great, Alex.
Great. Scott has a decade of experience investing in Sacramento specifically. He's very successful at doing so. He founded his own property management company, Raymond Property Management, which is now part of Mynd. So very excited about that. The topic we want to cover today is what to do or how to handle an emergency maintenance situation with your rental.
That's a good one, Alex. Most non-life-threatening maintenance emergencies really have to do with plumbing or the HVAC system not working in extreme weather. Plumbing issues would be like a water leak or a sewer backup. An HVAC failure would be, the air conditioning is not working and it's 110 degrees outside, or the heater's not working and it's freezing outside. So if you're self-managing, you need to have a reliable, stable group of vendors that you can call on that will be there when you need them, like the middle of the night or holidays, and won't completely price gouge you. Otherwise, my suggestion, hire a property management company that has a dedicated staff of maintenance techs and vendors that can handle any problem pretty much at any time.
Yeah, so we've done a similar interview with Enrique Jevons in Seattle. His sort of advice was, I think it's very similar to yours, but he was more specific into building a team. You have to have a team in place before you need them. Do you have any tips on how to build a team as an investor? I mean, I understand hiring a property manager gives you access to those teams, but folks who are not currently involved with property management companies, how would they go about building a team?
I got to tell you, the bad news is it's very tough. If I'm just a single fan, if I'm a real estate investor and I have one rental house, that I'm not going to get on anybody's radar. I'm not going to be considered a top client or top, a person for a plumber or an HVAC vendor or an electrician to call when I call them. I'm just going to be like any other customer. So it's really, unfortunately, not until you get some real scale, 3, 4, 5 properties where you can give these people consistent work. When you start to give these vendors consistent work, that's when they put you on their team. You put them on your team. And that's how that really works. But other than that, you're just another client calling off of Google to the local plumber trying to get a priority fix on an emergency issue.
There you go. Get big or hire a property manager, or be smart to do both. That's the advice. Thanks for your time today, Scott.
Thanks, Alex.
And all of you watching, thank you for watching. Go to mynd.co and find a number of other interviews Scott and I have done on investing in Sacramento. Until then, much love.